Despite the fact that the sun is everywhere and a vital part of our life, many things about it remain amazing. And now he has done an absolutely bizarre thing. Material from a plasma fiber ejected from the sun's surface broke off, forming a crown-like vortex over the sun's north pole. Further analysis will be required to determine if this is what actually happened. For now, scientists say they have never seen anything like it, and the shot itself is undoubtedly spectacular. The solar nonsense is not completely unexpected at the moment. Our star is increasing its activity, it is getting rowdier with its sunspot and flare activity. It has flared up every day so far this year, and in January 2023 it spewed several X-class and M-class flares, which are the largest and second largest explosions the sun is capable of. It's not something to worry about this. The sun goes through cycles of activity about once every 11 years, from relatively quiet and peaceful to absolutely wandering. These cycles coincide with fluctuations in the solar magnetic field. When the magnetic field is weakest at the poles, the sun's magnetic poles shift and the poles of the magnetic field reverse. This is the time when the sun is most active, known as the solar maximum. We are at the peak of the solar maximum. Since the sun is so mysterious and difficult to predict, we do not know exactly when the pole change will occur. Scientists are usually only able to come to a decision after the event, but we make a rough estimate. Our current estimates place it at July 2025. But the current cycle is also a little strange. Not all solar cycles are built the same way. Some are stronger, some are weaker. Solar scientists can make predictions about the further progress of the solar cycle. But since the very beginning of the current cycle, which began in December 2019, the sun's activity has significantly exceeded expectations and continues to exceed. This brings us back to the strange little polar tremor that was observed on February 2nd. According to what scientists have been able to say so far, it started with a solar flare, a bright plasma fiber extending outward from the surface of the sun. Not only were solar eruptions normal, but the location and type of this particular one were also normal. A large fence bulge, so named because it looks like a fence, usually forms around the sun's crown at high latitudes. But what happened next was not the following. The material seemed to break off, spinning around the pole at 60 degrees latitude for about 8 hours, at a speed of about 96 kilometers, 60 miles per second.